This is Aisin, Illinois, and these are the hands that operate it. These hands defy expectations. They may be worn, but they are kind. These are the hands that press and shape aluminum billets like warm clay, then give a round of applause at the school musical. Hands that can punch holes in cold metal, because they're the same hands that mined countless tons of coal for generations. Hands that take pride, not just in keeping their station clean, but their community as well. These are the hands that built the Hoover Dam, the St. Louis Arch, and the Giant City Lodge. Hands that can detect the slightest defect in quality, because they're the same hands that discerned a 1-degree increase in the temperature of a child's forehead. If they can do all this, it should be no surprise that they can cast aluminum, assemble sunroofs, and build electronic control units right here in Marion, Illinois. Our hands tell a story. They can tell what we've done, where we've been, and what we're capable of doing. Sometimes, they can even tell where we're going. These are the hands of Aisin. These are the hands of Southern Illinois. With these hands, we touch the future.